I'll go back to something I started to talk about a little bit earlier, which is that you really want to make sure that you're collecting data at the level that's useful to inform policy and practice. And I'll just give you an example. We do at Wilder Research, we do a statewide homeless survey every 3 years. And in conjunction with the statewide study, we started in 2006 doing an every 3-year reservation homeless study, which is the only study of its kind in the country where we do, again, try to attempt a census of people experiencing homelessness or other precarious housing situations like doubled up and other things on reservations. And one of the things that we didn't used to do a long time ago in the study is we didn't used to ask people their tribal affiliation, right? So we disaggregated the data by race, and we knew we had a certain percentage of American Indians. And we can say, since we've been doing the study in 1991, that American Indians are, 10 to 15 to 20 times overrepresented among the homeless population in the state. But what we couldn't tell the tribes is which of these people are your people, your members. And so when we started disaggregating and measuring the actual tribal affiliation of the people who we were interviewing, we gave this data back to the tribes in the sense of data sovereignty, right? And the tribes in northern Minnesota, 6 of the 7 Ojibwe tribes banded together, and they used their data that we provided to them to show the state how much of the overall homeless population was actually their people from their reservations. And as a result, they were able to get a pot of money for family homeless prevention funds that previously had been unavailable to tribes and was only accessed by the continuum of care regions in the state. And so being able to use disaggregated data in that way and be able to tell that story about why was disaggregated data helpful for this particular case and to show how it affected policy and funding, I think is one of the things for me that I've been trying to do.